still don't know that me, man. Oh, damn. Echo the man. Oh, man. Oh, listen. Hit that bitch again, man. Hit that bitch again, man. That nigga got the toe up. My nigga Eddie right there, man. Sound on you nigga, man, for real. Look at that shit. Hey, but you wet, man. Oh, shit.
Yeah, go on, get in front of me, Eddie.
Damn. This is a law, man. I always try to fuck up something, man. Look at him. It's a law.
I got it on camera that time.
Hell yeah, look at them. Got them on camera. They're like, get us on camera and shit. Hello.
He goes, that nigga looking at me cause he won't be. I swear he keep looking at me.
That nigga ain't worried about, man. He might. I don't know.
I'm gonna Eddie kill, man.
Eddie behind her. Oh, got the HID.
Don't do it. That nigga Tony don't give a fuck.
He really don't. Tony don't give a fuck. Look at him. Stunting the trailblazers. Look at him. What up? Only trailblazer out here with an 18 and it being hard as hell. And look at these niggas over here wanna be hooked. Look at these niggas. They doing a good job with the females and all, but shit. That's your girl though. In a fucking 5-0. That bit clean though, I ain't gonna lie. What up? Let me get these niggas on camera. Yeah, this shit clean though, I ain't gonna lie. That nigga shit clean. That nigga shit clean. Look at that nigga shit. Them bitches chopping. Man, Chris, let me take this damn flag off.
Man, take it off, goddamn. Damn.
That bitch didn't even move, cuz. Yeah, just like that. That nigga like tired of it. Look at loud as hell. Loud as hell, for real. Yeah.